probably.
Okay, now we're going from Caribbean Beach to,
Stay there because they always
I think,
have the beds
Epcot.
there. No, Riviera.
It was, oh, we're going to Riviera. Okay, sorry. We were waiting in the thing for such a long time in the little hub to get on there. But they do have a Joffrey's Coffee little stand before you get on if you're coming from the resort. So there's that. But the resorts are so pretty from up here, though.
Yeah, the sheets are already dirty.
Well, there's the beach, but you can't get to the beach. You have to sit down the.
You're not supposed to go to the beach anymore.
Because the kid got hated.
Hey.
That pool is looking
You
very
can see everything from here. I'm riding backwards, so this is really weird for me. But look, there's the Epcot ball.
Straight back.
Look, there's Stitch. Ah. Let's see.
We stayed here before, didn't we? Is this one? That is not what we said.
I've stayed here. It was great. It was when they first had pirate rooms.
They still only have double beds.
Yeah.
I'm too fat.
Oh, there's everybody in the pool. That's gotta be exciting.
Melissa's like just
Right?
one person in the room.
Okay, look at this hub over here.
Jennifer and I started our diets again.
It's to go for the
I'm good.
two sides, going to the other end of the Caribbean, and then you can hop on from here, or
Yep.
the new resort, I guess, once that opens. Oh, look, you can see their swimming pool.
Nice and new. That's pretty.
About it.
Yeah.
Nice. Coming in. Oh, they have a little lawn down there. How cute. Nice landscaping. And we're done. Pulling up on Peter Pan. Woo! Bouncy. Here we go. So 2 minutes. That's not bad.